Article 222 of the Indian Constitution pertains to the transfer of judges between high courts within India. Here's a breakdown of its provisions. Clause 1. Authority for transfer. The President of India has the authority to transfer a judge from one high court to another. Recommendation. This transfer is based on the recommendation of the National Judicial Appointments Commission, NJAC, as referenced in Article 124A. Note, the NJAC has been struck down by the Supreme Court of India, so this reference is technically not applicable in the current scenario. Clause 2. Compensatory allowance. A judge who is transferred to another high court is entitled to receive a compensatory allowance in addition to their regular salary. Determination by Parliament. The amount of this allowance is to be determined by Parliament through legislation. Interim arrangements. Until such a law is enacted by Parliament, the President can fix the compensatory allowance through an order. Key points. Transfer authority. The President has the power to transfer judges between high courts. Recommendation body. The transfer should be recommended by the NJAC, though this body is not currently functional due to judicial rulings. Compensatory allowance. Transferred judges receive additional compensation for the duration of their service in the new High Court, as determined by Parliament or, in the interim, by the President's order. This provision ensures that the judiciary can be administratively managed by transferring judges where they are needed while compensating them for any inconvenience caused by such transfers. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 5. The High Courts in the States. Article 222. Transfer of a judge from one high court to another. 1. The President may, on the recommendation of the National Judicial Appointments Commission referred to in Article 124A, transfer a judge from one high court to any other high court. 2. When a judge has been or is so transferred, he shall, during the period he serves, after the commencement of the Constitution, 15th Amendment, Act, 1963, as a judge of the other high court, be entitled to receive in addition to his salary such compensatory allowance as may be determined by Parliament by law and, until so determined, such compensatory allowance as the President may by order fix.